My name is Orok Duke. I am here to teach about classes of African instruments. Number 1, membranophones. These are instruments in which sound is produced by a stretched membrane such as a drum. Number 2, chordophones. These are stringed instruments like harps and fiddles. Number 3, aerophones. They are wind instruments like native flutes, bones. Number 4, idiophones. These are instruments that create sounds through vibrating themselves. Example, rattles, thumb piano.